Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rewind back if you accidentally swiped on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation icons. Go ahead and tap on the one that says likes. This is where Tinder stores all your activity related to the profiles you've interacted with, making it the perfect place to find anyone you might have accidentally swiped on. Once you tap on likes, you'll be taken to your likes history page. This section displays a record of all the profiles you've recently liked or interacted with, organized chronologically so you can easily browse through them. Take a moment to scroll through this list carefully until you find the profile of the person you accidentally swiped on or liked. This might take a few seconds depending on how many profiles you've been swiping through, but the history view makes it straightforward to locate the specific person you're looking for. Now, once you've found the profile you want to rewind, here's where the magic happens. Simply place your finger on their profile card and drag it to the left or swipe it left. This action effectively rewinds your previous decision and removes that interaction from your history. It's a quick and intuitive gesture that immediately undoes your accidental swipe, giving you a second chance to reconsider your choice. However, there's an important thing to keep in mind here. This rewind feature is only available if your account is subscribed to Tinder Gold. Without a Tinder Gold subscription, you won't have access to your likes history or the ability to rewind any swipes. So if you find yourself frequently making accidental swipes and want the peace of mind that comes with being able to undo them, Tinder Gold is definitely worth considering for this feature alone. And that's it, you've successfully rewound an accidental swipe on Tinder using your likes history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.